To write the Lewis structure for BaS, barium sulfide, we write Ba, and then we write S. So barium, that's a metal, and then sulfur, that's a nonmetal. When we have a metal and a nonmetal together, we have an ionic compound. In ionic compounds, valence electrons are transferred from the metal to the nonmetal. So when we look on the periodic table, barium, that's in group 2, it has 2 valence electrons, like the other elements in group 2. Sulfur, that's in group 16, sometimes called 6A. It has 6 valence electrons. So the metal, barium, that transfers electrons to the nonmetal. A pair here, and then this completes the octet. The sulfur now has 8 valence electrons, full outer shell, which is very stable. The barium, it lost 2 valence electrons, and electrons are negative, so it lost 2 negative charges. That means it now has a 2 plus charge. The sulfur, it gained those 2 electrons. It has a 2 minus charge. So these 2 charges add up to 0, which makes sense because BaS, that's a neutral compound. We should put brackets around the sulfur, and you'll often see brackets around the positive ion. We put these brackets here to show that the electron, those 2 electrons that barium had, that they were transferred to the sulfur. The barium lost those electrons, the sulfur gained them. There's no sharing between the barium and the sulfur because it's an ionic compound. This is Dr. B with the Lewis structure for BaS, barium sulfide. Thanks for watching.